Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and go to fan timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose, depending on your trading style and the timeline it will suit you. And today we're going to make for you, even for the option, the weekly review or the weekly forecasting for the option, where is the Bitcoin is going to go. So make sure to watch all the video. And yes, you. Are you not yet a subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. And you, if you are a subscriber, make sure to smash that like button, to write down a comment. Support us, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. So, as you see here in the daily, there is nothing changed. Also, now we are going to the third week, and also we stay in here in that place where we are. There is nothing changed now. We haven't break above here that inside bar. By the way, the inside bar is that candle here, that green one here. We came to the top of it here and the lower of it down here, and we're drawing the two lines as you see them. It's need the Bitcoin to break either up here for us to enter long, or to break down here for us to enter short. Till now it hasn't breaking either up or down. And me, I show you yesterday here we got something else. I show you we got here a channel like that, very clear channel like that, and I told you we came here and we do it like that. As you see it, a very clear channel here. As you see it, we touch in the top of it here and the lower of it here. Now we are in the top of it here. Either we're going to fall down to touch lower here again, that level here. Then after that, it's going to happen a big jump in Bitcoin. And that's what me I told you for long-term investors. I told you waiting that correction to happen here for us to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry long, guys. You need to remember that. If it doesn't happen, that correction here, you need to wait in more. For another scenario, the Bitcoin is going to break here, that inside bar as we just show you here. If it's breaking above here, that's another story. That's when the Bitcoin is going to go to that 34k, and we show you all those things before. So till now there is nothing new here in the daily. Now let me show you the levels we put last Friday. We put them together, as you remember. We put them like that, and we said the Bitcoin levels we got. The first level is it here at 29,500. The down level is it at 23,500. That where is the view for those people the Bitcoin it will go. And as you see it, all the week it's staying here. So those people, they are here in the top. For the pots here, they collecting premium. For the calls, they collecting premium. For the pots, the same thing, they collecting premium. That's good news for them. Now it's going to see for that week, where is the Bitcoin is going to go. So it's going there. Here we are at the page web where also we analyzing the options. As you see here, let's see in where is the pots now. We start from the pots. As you see down here, the first pots, we got here the strike, or the strike price for the pot is it here at 25,500. As you see, the volume here is it 404 Bitcoin here down, but for the calls is 0. So that's a very stronger level. Is it at 25,500? So that's for the pots. Now let's see for the calls. For the calls, we got that level here. As you see it, is it at 29,500? As you see the calls here, is it 261 Bitcoin, and the pots is 0. So now also we say in two levels. We said the first level is at 25,500. The second level is at 29,500. Now let's go into the chart of us, and we're doing that two levels together to see where is the Bitcoin is going to go all that week. So it's going there. There we are at the first level. Is it at 29,500? It's going to stay where it is. The down one, we're going to change it from 23 to 25,500 like that, and okay like that. So as you see it, that the levels, first level here at 25,500, the second level is it at 29,500. So the people of the options, they thinking that week, even that week will come in that week. We're going to start from that Friday till next Friday. The Bitcoin is going to stay sideways here. So let's wait and see, because till now the Bitcoin is looking, is it in a very flat market. The volume is very low. So that's the view of them. But me, personally, I think maybe it's going to come a correction, and I told you till where. So let's wait until next week, and we're going to see. Because those ones here, if the Bitcoin fall down here to 25,500, they are going to buy Bitcoin. That means they are going to accept it to buy Bitcoin here at 25,500. Actually, it's a very stronger level as you see it here. And here, is it at 29,500? Even that one is a very stronger level. Those ones, if it touch here, they are going to sell. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. Over here, what else we said? People that been with us, they remember that we said we got here a flag like that. Look at it, very clear flag as you see it. Till now we couldn't break above. That meant we couldn't break above here. That meant there is no entry long, and we couldn't break down here. That meant there is no entry short, and also we still waiting. And I tell it to you, you need to wait. You need to learn to wait. I saw some people online, they came, they do it like that. They doing here a triangle like that. But me, I told you those things, they are not going to work now, because unless if you want to enter from here, if it's breaking down here, you enter just to that level here. That's another story. You enter to 26,600. But for swing trading, it need to break here down. For us to enter short, for the long, it need to come to break above here, that level here, for us to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry long, no entry short, guys. You need to remember those things, what I'm telling you. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, same thing. Nothing was changed here. We still have here the downtrend or the divergence downtrend we used to have. Until now, we couldn't break above here, as you see it. That's where we used to be yesterday. We're still there. Actually, it came down here. It tried to enter to the bear market, but there is no power. No one want to sell. And even for the bulls, no one want to buy. The market is very flat. People, they still waiting that correction, I tell you, to happen. Then after that, the Bitcoin is going to take off. And also, we give you all the price action we have. We have that channel. It's need at least to get broke above or down. If it doesn't, there is no entry, guys. You need to remember that. If it doesn't get in broke, there is no entry, or maybe that one to come down. Then from us, we will buy him from down. People didn't be in with me for some time. They know me every time when you touch in here, the oversold, the buy. I think picture is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's in. That one here. Same thing. We have here a divergence, very clear divergence here as you see it. Look at it. But till now nothing was changed, because also we still waiting the break to happen here. If it doesn't, there is no entry short, guys, because we got here a divergence, so we need to looking for short. And may I give you, even if it's breaking above here, if we're breaking above here, enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. You need to wait, to learn to wait. I know it's bored, it's a little bit bored, but you need to wait. That's the only thing I can tell you. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Here the last video what me I told you, we came, we do it like that. And we came here in the top, we do it like that. Actually it's getting broke here, but that one is just the noise, so we couldn't follow it 100%. Now we can make like that. Another small triangle here in 30 minutes, and we waiting to break down here for us to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry, guys. You need to wait in the top. If it's breaking above here, you can enter long, but you need to wait in a little bit. Till now it doesn't get broke. And that one here, the triangle I show you in yesterday video, we put it in the thumbnail of the video. So till now we need to wait in the break to happen down up here or down here. If it doesn't get broke, there is no entry long, no entry short. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, yesterday we used to be here at the oversold area. Same today, also we are here at the oversold area. So there is nothing now. We need to wait and more the break to happen either up or either down. Also, we don't care about indicator, what it's telling us. Also, we follow the price action. Look at it down, how is it? Look in the top, how is it like that? And you wait in the break to happen above here for you to enter long, or to happen down here for you to enter short. For the long, if you enter long stop loss, you just put it here. For the short, you can put it here. You can put it here in the top of those ones, depending on your money management and how much capital you're risking per trade. I think picture is too clear, guys. We don't need to explain more than that. Take profit for that one. For the long, if it's breaking above, take profit for that one. It needs to be here at that level. And yesterday video, I told you exactly where. For the short, it needs to be down here at that level here. Look at that peak here. In the top, look at that peak here. That's where it needs to be the take profit for you. I'm talking here just about scalpers and day traders. I think picture is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.